Can Python and return none? I am looking at some code which apparently runs, as nobody has complained about it, but am well confused by what they have written. I have always thought of the AND operator as something which returns true or false. Now I'm starting to doubt myself. What else would it return? A number. It is probably not Pythonic, but am I missing something? How can someone write something like that?
It means if A is truthy and B is not none and not what you thought it meant, i.e. A and B is truthy.
The code above means if A is truthy and B isn't none, then hashtag do something.
According to Python 3, operator precedence, the emphasis is mine. The following table summarizes the operator precedence in Python from lowest precedence, least binding, to highest precedence, most binding. The fact that is not comes after AND means that it will be evaluated before AND. Both might not be evaluated at all due to lazy evaluation. Thanks at Nika for the comment, so the expression is equivalent to adding parentheses for clarity. Also, according to Python 3, truth value testing. Any object can be tested for truth value, for use in an if or while condition or as operand of the Boolean operations below. Your if statement is perfectly okay, produces a bool. Examples using Python 3, class bool x.
In this code, you evaluate B as not none first, which is a Boolean. And then A is implicitly converted into a Boolean. For a list dict, false if it is empty. For a number, false if it is 0. Then N is evaluated, which always return a Boolean.
It is most certainly valid. When we take a variable which has been assigned a value and perform the AND operation with another variable with a null in Python none, the AND operation results in a none. Hence, the check can be made. To make my point clear, please refer below. And results in none, and results in non-null value in our case 11.
Last tree isn't your audience fun.